Today we're making avocado toast. This is not your plain old avocado toast. This avocado toast is gonna leave you feeling full for hours. It's gonna give you tons of nutrition, healthy fats, protein, omegas, healthy for the gut, and most of all, it's gonna taste amazing as well. Let's get started. We're gonna start off with a bowl and your avocados. So you're gonna scoop the avocados, make sure you take the pit out. So I use about one small avocado. One whole small avocado. All right, so stick that in the bowl, and then we're gonna get a half of a lime. And this handy, I swear this is the best thing in life. It's like makes everything so much easier, but we're gonna squeeze the lime juice in there for flavor, and also it just is alkalizing for the body. So we got that. We're gonna add some pink sea salt. We're gonna add a little bit of green powder. So I do this, you're not even gonna really taste it. It's just a little bit of greens. I use Amazing Grass and Shrooms powder. It has wheatgrass, reishi, shiitake, and I usually put these in my smoothie, but you can do it with your avocado toast too. You can also use spirulina, any green powder you have. I promise it's not gonna taste like crazy greenness. All right, so then we're gonna add some chili flakes because I like some spice. Everything but the bagel seasoning. Add some of that in. We're gonna do some hemp seeds for omegas and added protein. Heck, if you have a protein green powder, you can even add that in there. Some brain octane oil. Just a little bit. Healthy fats. This is gonna keep you full also for hours. And then we got some feta cheese. So I always get the authentic Greek feta from Trader Joe's that's not already crumbled. I crumble it myself. Sometimes I go to the Greek market as well. All right, so we're going to just mash that all up here. So mash it all up, just grab your fork and mix it. You wanna get that lime juice really in there, and you wanna really smash the avocado up. So, looks like that, nice and smashed, all right? Then we're gonna grab our plate here and grab our bread. So I'm obsessed. This is the CocoBakes sourdough. I'm gluten free, and I stay very strictly gluten free unless I'm traveling. And so this is a gluten free and vegan sourdough. I swear I've tried so many gluten free sourdoughs, and this bread is amazing. It makes me feel good, and I never feel like, oh, I had so much bread, and I also never feel like that heaviness feeling. And I also I swear, like, I lose more weight when I'm eating this bread. Like, my body just reacts to it so well. So we're gonna grab a slice of the bread. Now you can toast it if you would like also. Let's go ahead and toast this baby. So I toasted my sourdough bread here, and then I'm just gonna grab the mixture, all the smashed avocado, and just layer it on here. I want to get every little bit. As you can see, it fills up the whole bread. It's a lot. This is like my first meal of the day, and it really just keeps me full for hours. All right, so we got the avocado toast here. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Yeah. My mouth is watering just looking at it. Now you can top it off with some hot sauce. I like to add some spiciness. And then I like to top off with some sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is amazing for the gut. So I just like to put a little bit of sauerkraut on there. I just get any, I always like the plain sauerkrauts, but they have spicy ones, they have different ones. And then this is your finished product. Yum. So you can add you can even add a little bit of like chili oil on top or anything you want to add to make it nice and make it more your own, like if you want it a little more spicy or maybe you want it a little more savory. But this is it. This is the avocado toast. It keeps me full for hours. Super nutrition, protein, fiber, omegas, healthy fats. It's really like your upgraded avocado toast. So I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys next time.